welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I'm explaining the concept of elements of flow control. So in the previous video, I discussed about flow control and what is a flow chart. So in this video, I'm discussing about what are the elements of flow control. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So now, first you need to understand what is a flow control. Flow control means, so now you know that program is nothing but a set of instructions. So now you can decide which instructions to execute first and which instructions to execute next, right? You can decide that. That is nothing but flow control. So if you can give some condition, so if your condition is true, your instruction will execute. If your condition is false, then the next instruction is going to execute. That is nothing but flow control. You can decide which statement to execute, right? So how to achieve that? How you can decide which statement or which instruction in your program is going to execute means, so you're going to use some elements. So what are those elements means? Conditions and block of code. By using this, you can achieve this, right? Flow control. So now we will see what are these conditions and block of code. So see this example. So according to this example, if name is equal to Mary, it is going to print hello Mary. If password is equal to swordfish, it is going to print access granted. So if password is not equal to swordfish, it will print wrong password. So what I'm trying to say is, you can see here, I can decide which condition is going to get executed or which statement is going to get executed. So for example, if name is equal to Mary, it will print hello Mary will execute. If name is not equal to Mary, then right, it is not going to execute the print hello Mary statement. So this is flow control. I am deciding which statement to get execute first. So as I told, every flow control statement contains a condition. So according to this example, if name is equal to Mary is a condition. This is a Boolean. This is a condition. You are checking whether the name is equal to Mary. This is a condition. Next, if password is equal to swordfish, this is a condition, right? So, and every condition follows by a block of code. So here block of code is print hello Mary is a block of code, print access granted is a block of code, print wrong password is a block of code. Okay, so in this way I can decide which condition or which statement to get executed first. For example, so conditions means the Boolean expressions you have seen so far could all be considered as conditions. That means conditions are Boolean expressions. That means conditions can be either true or false. In the same example, you can see if name is equal to Mary, your condition is true. If name is not equal to Mary, your condition is false. So conditions are Boolean, right? So conditions always evaluate Boolean value. That means the output of the condition will be either true or false. I already told you that. And a flow control statement decides what to do based on whether its condition is true or false. That means if a condition is true, do one thing. If condition is false, do the next thing. For example, here if name is equal to Mary, the condition is true. If condition is true, print hello Mary. If name is not equal to Mary, right, it is not going to print hello Mary. Getting my point? So if condition is true, output will be different. If condition is not true, output will be different. Sorry. So you're getting my point? Now block of code. So every condition follows block of code, right? So for example, in this, if name is equal to Mary, print hello Mary. That print hello Mary is a block of code. If password is equal to swordfish, print access granted. That print access granted is a block of code. But and else print wrong password is also block of code. So total how many block of codes are there here? 3 blocks of code are here. But the only difference is every blocks of code is having only one line here. You can observe every block of code is having only one line here. So, and every block of code should follow some rules. Now we'll see what are those rules. So block begins when the indentation increases. So every block begins when the indentation increases. For example, see. So observe here. Print allow Mary is a block, right? So you can observe the gap between if and print. So I have given some space between if and print. So that indentation is increased. Every block, whenever every block starts, you should leave some space. That is nothing but indentation, right? Indentation is very important in Python. Otherwise, it will be a problem. You can observe. You can see the cursor there. If and print, we have some space. That indentation increases. We have given some space. That is nothing but indentation increased. So every block, right? Sorry, every block, right, begins when the indentation increases. Next, blocks can contain other blocks. Blocks can contain other blocks. You can see name is equal to Mary, print hello Mary is one block. This block can contain again one more block, print access granted. Again another block can be there, print wrong password. So blocks can be grouped. One block can contain another blocks. Getting my point, guys? Suppose if you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. Next, blocks end when the indentation decreases to 0 or to a containing blocks indentation. What is the meaning of it? So see here. So observe here. Every block, after ending of every block, again indentation decreases. So see here, this is the first block. What is the first block? Print hello Mary is the first block. So that is the right end of the first block. But see again, if where it is started from the starting position, that means space, there is no space, indentation decreases. See the cursor. See again, if and print, see the space between if and print, space is decreased. Getting my point? So every block starts with an increase in indentation, but after the closing of block, you have to decrease the indentation. Again, you have to start the condition. Getting my point, guys? Right? Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.